our Milestone 4. Welcome to our presentation. Okay. So, this is our outline. This is what we're going to show you today. First of all is the wireframes we have developed, and then we're going to show you a little live demos of the web services. Okay, so first of all, we want to show you how many stakeholders we have, right? We have to develop user interfaces for each of the stakeholders. So you can see we have plenty of them, and the idea is to show you the main user interfaces of each of the stakeholders. Okay, so here's a little diagram showing the different user interfaces we have for the logistics company. Okay, yeah, this is just for information. You can see how many we have. Later we're going to show you a little bit in more detail.
Okay, good afternoon. Here we have our wireframes of the current company. We want to, or we try to do an interface for each stakeholder. Yeah, basically not one interface. Like we're gonna try to do one application for each stakeholder. We want to explain in more detail each wireframe. I'll try to explain you in more detail that. Here we have the diagram. Okay, maybe here we can see that. Okay, here we have the company wireframe. I'll try to explain you as best as possible our diagram. First of all, we have a main view about all the wireframes. Now I'll try to show you in more detail each view. Okay. Well, in the first case, we have the cell phone in the main interface. We can say we are trying to show you an icon that provides an access to the application. Yeah? When you access to the application, in that case is the application for a courier company. When you access the application, you have four options basically. We have a option, truck information, database, courier company, and news. Yeah. When you access to the option, you can see this view. We have okay, yeah. In that part, you can see the main options that have the company. Our idea is, like we said in the past milestone, we have different options, and when you access to each option, you can see another view. In that case, you can see all the information in the option. For example, you can see the source, the destiny. You can see the source, the destiny, the what type, the required time. Yeah, you can see those things for the option. As you can see. Now, you can see here we have all the information of the auction. In that view, you can see that you have, or we try to put 4 buttons. We have participate in the auction is the main function basically, but also you have, or in that case, we have an external auction that is the auction between all the auction among all the courier companies, yeah, because we have different courier companies, and each courier company will develop an internal auction when they select the best option, the best truck, yeah. So when you receive the information from the auction, you can, or exactly, the courier company can create an internal auction. In that case, internal auction will send to all the truckers all the information of the auction, and after that we'll return that to the courier company, and finally our MLS server will process that information and will select the best option among all the courier companies. Yeah, as you can see, also we can see other options in the auction menu, that is view available trucks and view available options. Yeah, view available options is return to the previous menu to see all the options, and view available trucks is basically show the actual state for each truck. Yeah, this is like the main idea for the courier company wireframes. Now, now we're going to present our reference of the trucker. As our partner said, here we have an interface for each stakeholder. Here we have our interface or our application for the trucker. In that case, like in the previous situation, we have the main menu, yeah, and when you access to this application, you can see other options. The main options in the trucker application is we try to do as safe as possible, or we will try to do this as safe as possible. We will to give each stakeholder, so basically the trucker and some people, we will give you some usernames and password to access to the courier company database and the MLS company database. Why we did that? Because we think that each trucker or each company can work with different delivery companies, yeah. So we need to control that. We control that with an username and password, yeah. Okay, when the trucker log into MLS server, we can show some important function like news for us, and routing, and documentation. This is the main the main functions of this stakeholder. But for each stakeholder, we have defined a lot of functions that we found that are important. Okay. Now,
what is exactly the documentation?
Documentation. Okay. Okay. Alexandra said what is exactly documentation. Okay, I'll try to explain you the possible of these three options. News is is the news in all the road, in our area. Routing is the action that we propose to create the route to do the delivery. Yeah? And documentation is the documentation that received the trucker from the delivery company, like cost of the load, type of load, yeah?
Detail of the...
Yeah, all the details of the delivery, basically. The trucker have a lot of documents of each delivery because he have a lot of packages.
So it should be delivery
yeah,
detail.
exactly. But basically, this documentation will be do easy this process to show it. Yeah, and basically that. Now we will try to show you another and our live demos.
Sí, sí.
¿Y el video no se puede poner? Pongan el video, ¿no? Pongan el video.
Okay, Paul, so now we're going to show you a little video of an application we made. Okay, it's like the first one we made. So let me just show you the video. You can, if it's slow, you can download it from the Next Lab website. Okay, in the Next Lab assessments.